Welcome to Animark and Co-Innovations, where your vision ignites our creative expertise. Let's captivate your audience, skyrocket your conversions, and transform your brand together. Dive into the vibrant world of animation with us. Our 2D and 3D animations make your stories come alive, deeply engaging your audience and delivering outstanding results. We simplify complex business concepts, making them easily understandable and utterly compelling. Is your website leaving a lasting impression? Our web development team crafts sites that are not only visually breathtaking, but also superbly functional, ensuring your visitors are hooked and keep coming back for more. Elevate your brand identity with a logo designed by Animark. Our creations are more than just designs. They are potent symbols that forge deep connections with your audience. Need to make a first impression? Make every meeting unforgettable with our custom business cards that reflect your brand's elegance and professionalism, ensuring you leave a striking impression. Boost your marketing impact with our comprehensive print services. Whether it's high-quality flyers, eye-catching posters, or bespoke merchandise, we ensure every piece communicates your brand's message powerfully and consistently. Our print solutions not only enhances visibility, but also builds lasting brand loyalty and trust among your customers. Unlock global career opportunities with our comprehensive job application services. We don't just prepare your CV and cover letter. We actively seek out opportunities on your behalf, alerting you when an employer is eager to hire. Many have secured lucrative positions abroad, often boosting their income by 50%. At Animark, navigate the complexities of international employment. We don't just assist with work permits. We guide you meticulously through the visa application process, ensuring a seamless transition to your exciting new job abroad. At Animark, our business consulting services provide the expertise you need. We bring problem-solving solutions tailored to your business, ensuring sustained growth and success. Together, we collaborate to turn your vision into reality. Transform your influence into revenue through our affiliate marketing program. Partner with top brands and leverage our network to enhance your earnings significantly. Our program is designed to maximize your profits with minimal effort, offering you an excellent opportunity to grow financially while promoting products you believe in. At Animark and Co-Innovations, we're not just dedicated to your success, we're committed to making it spectacular. Reach out today and let's create something truly extraordinary together. Animark, where your success is our mission.